Today we're creating the font changing text effect, a looping animation where your text keeps switching between different fonts. It's perfect for fun, flashy, and high energy edits. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type in your title or message. Short words or names work especially well with this effect. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a style that fits your project. Even though the animation switches fonts, your base font still affects the look of the final result. Now tap the Animation tab, switch to the Loop section, and look for Font Change. CapCut offers multiple versions of this animation. Each one cycles through fonts in a slightly different style. Tap through them and choose one that suits your project's vibe. Once applied, use the duration slider. Slide it left for faster, rapid font switching. Slide it right for a slower, smoother change. Set the timing based on the energy of your edit, and that's it. You've created a stylish font changing text effect in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing guides.